Okay, so let's look at this example. It says a point on a pin has an area of 0.01 centimeters squared. And it says calculate the pressure created, so we're trying to find P, for a force of 200 newtons. So you can see we do the same thing we always do, extract the information from the question first, then we write out the equation as is, as we would learn it, P equals F divided by A. We then put in our values. We don't know P, so we'll leave that as P. We do know F, we do know A. You type that into your calculator and it will give you 20,000. And then we look at the units of the things we put into our equation. So we had force in newtons and it was divided by an area in centimeters squared. So our unit for pressure is newtons per centimeter squared. Second question, same pin, so we've still got the same area, 0.01 centimeters squared, but this time we're trying to find F to produce a pressure of 5,000 newtons per centimeter squared. Write out your equation and put in your value, so that's 5,000 equals F divided by 0.01. On the right hand side we have F divided by 0.01, so we multiply this side by 0.01 to get rid of that, and we have to do it to the other side. So 5,000 times 0.01 equals F. Type that into your calculator and it will give you 50 newtons. Okay, so mathematical questions, same thing. Write out your equation, put in the values, do your calculations, include the unit. Written answers about pressure we should be used to doing from year 10 as well. So example 2 says, explain why a penguin does not sink into the snow when it walks. If we start talking about sinking, we should be thinking about a pressure answer. And for pressure answers, we give a FAPSO answer. Okay, so the first thing we talk about, the F in FAPSO, is force. And it's the weight of the penguin. Remember, weight is a force measured in newtons. So we would say the weight of the penguin, and then we talk about the area that weight is spread over, the force is spread over for A. And in the case of the penguin, it's spread over the large area of its webbed feet. And if we have a large area, we're spreading out that force, it's less concentrated, so that means it produces a small pressure. Okay, so the P in FAPSO is for pressure, and then the SO is for so what happens. Now it's kind of given in the question, so you mightn't get a mark for the last bit, but it's good for completeness sake. So the penguin does not sink into the snow. Okay, so try the questions from the textbook next, and I'll post a little video with the answers or solutions to them. Okay.